mga kaibigan! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is BritPinay Journey. I'm here already sa bahay namin mga kaibigan. And then I bought some CP past few days. When is that? Saturday. I bought some cell phone for Briton, and then I collected on Saturday. So today is Monday. It's already in this bag mga kaibigan. Ito po, mag-unboxing lang muna tayo sa cellphone. Mumurahing cellphone lang po kay Briton. Ayan siya. So, i-unboxing po natin siya. And also po mga kaibigan, I bought some this tripod. Ayan po. Kasi the already on sale used to be 100 pound and it sell for about 49 pounds, something like that. Double check po yung...
It's got the microphone with it.
Yeah. It was used to be is about 9.99 pound, and it sell to the price on sale na po siya is 59.99. So which is may 30 pound o 40 pound off po tayo sa ating GORILLAPOD Creator Kit. Ayan po. So, i-unboxing lang muna natin yung cellphone na binili ko po kay Briton. Ayan po siya. Motorola, that's kind of phone that he wanted. So, please keep watching na lang po mga kaibigan. It's inside the box.
I think there's a phone inside it.
Ayan.
I need a knife to cut the thing.
Okay. Look at me, babe. I do it properly because it's thumbnail. Ayan. Ayan po. Yung price po niya ng CP, mga kaibigan, 100 pound na din po siya. Iyan po yung laman po mga kaibigan. Moto E30. Ayan. Yan lang po siya. So, he's gonna try to unboxing with that today.
We have some lights.
Ayan po. And then, how many gigabyte is that?
32, I think.
It's 32 gigabyte mga kaibigan. And it's already 5G on it.
4G.
4G only.
48 megapixel camera.
And then, ayan po, 48 megapixel, triple camera system. Ayan po. Yung size niya po is 6.5 Max Vision HD po. 500 mAh battery. Yan po yan siya. And then, yan po yung laman dito. They have already charger dyan. Ayan po. Slim lang po siya and touchscreen.
Textured finish on the back.
Yeah.
Like ripple.
Yeah. Ayan po. And then,
I think that's the switch on.
ayan. And then, they got battery inside here, mga kaibigan. And my, ayan. Ayan po. Oh, nagbabouncing back yung ilaw. Ayan po yan siya. And built-in Android din po siya, mga kaibigan. Oh. Ayan po.
Hello, Moto.
Oh?
I didn't expect that. Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto.
Ayan po. And then, they have manual instruction dito sa box na dito, mga kaibigan. Ayan po. They got manual instruction dito. Dalawa po siya.
I think I'm going to set it all up later.
Yeah. And also, they got charger here, mga kaibigan. Ayan po. Yan lang po yung laman ng unboxing ni Briton sa kanyang new
switch this off
cellphone.
and set it all up later.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yan po mga kaibigan,
Nice
yung kanyang new phone. Ayan.
Power off.
Yeah. Yan po yung settings niya po mga kaibigan. Ayan.
Nice.
So, you happy your new cellphone, ideal phone?
Oo, syempre.
So, Briton is happy his new phone mga kaibigan. And then, hindi naman po siya expensive phone. He's only used for WhatsApp, text, phone call, and he never used that for email because he uses laptop to check his email. And then a little bit video or picture doon sa ating sa aming allotment, I mean. Yan lang po yung magagamit niya because his old phone knackered na po. So he wanted that kind of phone. He don't want the really expensive phone.
Moto phone for about 5 years.
He had
long time.
Yeah, he had the old Moto phone before, mga kaibigan. He's been using for 5 years already, but this year is buggered. So bought new one there.
But this is £100, and it is a 6.5-inch smartphone. Really good value for the money.
Yeah. It's a really good feedback as well in say online feedback.
Yeah.
Everyone loved this phone, mga kaibigan, because we trying to get that since December time is sold out, mga kaibigan. As you remember the last video ko po na bumili po kami ng laptop ni Briton and they have no available this kind of phone that he wanted. So luckily doon sa Mary Hell I managed to grab this phone. They already delivered to the shop. Sa Kari shop ko po nabili kasi unlock po siya. You can put different SIM card po, mga kaibigan. So yan lang po, mga kaibigan. And next po natin gagawin, ito po, mag-unboxing din po ako dito sa ayan. Ito po. Ayan, i-unboxing ko din po ito, mga kaibigan, mamaya. So, yan lang po yung cellphone ni Briton, mga kaibigan. Ayan. Ayan po, mga kaibigan. I-unboxing na po ni Briton. They have already built-in tripod on it. And Gorilla microphone on it. And also, they got some, cat feeders. I don't know what this called. Mouse feeders, I think they called. Ayan. So, i-unboxing na lang po ni Briton. Siya na lang po mag-unboxing ng GORILLAPOD Creator Kit. So, it's luckily I bought
oh, very microphone.
the one that I really like, mga kaibigan. Do you have you can hold with your camera, and also you can hold with your, you can plug in your camera and also your cursor, or what the other one, that camera. So it was about nearly 199, mga kaibigan, and it only dropped to 149. I didn't get it because I don't really need it. I only wanted the microphone to put in your camera or to your DSLR.
That's adjustable on spring.
Yeah.
That's a strong spring, and then when you play, just press that to lock it.
Yeah. To hold your camera. That's ideal, mga kaibigan, because it's quite good. This one to hold your to your phone or to your camera, and then they have some already. That's for to hold the microphone. That one to microphone. The inside. Read the instruction.
No, I don't do that.
Ayan po. Ganyan po siya, mga kaibigan. Ayan. Ayan. Ganyan po siya.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, itry po ni Briton sa kanyang new cellphone or old cellphone po. So, he's gonna try to connected each other. I'm not sure if you need to download their apps.
Just two
or Bluetooth.
microphone thingies.
One for camera, one for DSLR, or one for phone.
No,
they got two.
They're both the same jacks, 3.5mm jacks, isn't they?
Yeah.
Well, that was slightly different to that one.
Yeah.
I'll have to read the instructions.
Yeah. Because look, if you see that one is one for DSLR and one for the cell phone.
Yeah, that's for professional camera.
Yeah, that's why you got these two jacks on it. What you call that one? But it's bargain, mga kaibigan, because I only pay $59.99. It used to be £100. So I planning to buy that one 3-4 weeks ago. Luckily, I leave it, and then the on sale.
You use it like this when it's not windy, I guess.
Yes, yeah.
Then you put it in the, what do you call this, sock or something?
Mouse.
A mat.
Yeah.
When it's a windy day.
Yeah, so that is not like not rough sounds. Not get rough sounds from when you do audio.
So when I retire, move to the Philippines, I had this and I'm walking along the beach with my phone and the microphone like this. Hello, my kaibigan. This is BritPinay from Palawan. El Nido. El Nido.
Ayan. Oh, practice na daw siya mag-vlog mga kaibigan. Ayan lang po yung ating unboxing mga kaibigan. So, Brittany is trying to figure out with that. So, I'm so happy I purchased this kind of GORILLAPOD creator mga kaibigan. This is available po sa Caris dito sa UK, and also you can find in eBay or Amazon. If you like to order yan mga kaibigan, just check it out po yung kanilang website, yung Amazon and also Caris. Yan po, online. Ayan po, pwede nyo po ma-order yan. Ayan po. So, ayan, happy na po ako sa aking microphone for my tripod. Ang tripod sa aking cellphone po, ayan. Yan po mga kaibigan, try po ni Briton i-connect, and then you're gonna use your old cell phone then.
Yeah?
Old cell phone.
See a flashlight. Yeah. Well, I'll do it when I've got my new fan set up. I'll try it on there. Obviously got to film in landscape style, not portrait.
Ayan, itry niya lang daw mamaya mga kaibigan. Naka-installed na po and connected yung GORILLAPOD and microphone through sa CP ni Briton. Yan po yung sa likod, and also yan po ang nasa harap. Pakita lang namin kung it working well, especially po yung audio nito ng microphone. This microphone po ng GORILLAPOD is best to use outdoor po siya mga kaibigan. Yan lang po yung nais naming ma-share sa inyo mga kaibigan. Thank you so much po for watching, at saka sa love and support nyo po. Mga kaibigan, yan lang po yung aking i-share sa inyo, yung unboxing po sa new cellphone ni Brito na Motorola E30, and also sa aking GORILLAPOD creator kit. Is such a big help po iyan sa aking pagva-vlog, especially po sa if it's too windy outside. Pwede ko po siyang magagamit para hindi po funny sound po yung ating background. And also po, very handy din po yan siya kasi pwede nyo po magagamit for your cellphone, to plug into your cellphone, and also to your DSLR camera or any kind of camera po. And also, they have already tripod on it. So, if you like our unboxing today mga kaibigan, please give me like, share, and comments. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, BritPinay Journey. And don't forget to click the bottom bell if you are new to my channel. Please subscribe na din po. Thank you so much to all your love and support, especially to my legit organic friends. Thank you so much everyone. I will end this vlog mga kaibigan. Take care everyone and keep safe, and bye for now.